Alright, what's going on, everybody? So, as this is kind of our Ranger build series right now. This is what started it all. It was, you know, go back to part one, you'll see pictures and I explain how it happened. So, what we're going to do here today is, this thing needs to go scrap yard. It's toast. I'm going to save the rims off of it and the rear tires and rims. So, I want to flip the thing upside down because I want to cut the Cadillac converters off of it. And this thing has brand new leaf springs on it that I just put on it 6,000 miles ago. Shackles and leaf springs. So when I have it flipped upside down, if they're not bent or tore up or anything, then I'm going to take them off so I can use them on our new Ranger before I order them. If they are bad, then they're bad, and we'll go ahead and order some. But I don't know. So I'll catch up with you guys here in a second. I'm waiting on Zach to get here. He's got my Explorer, which has the winch on the front of it. My winch used to just live on a trailer receiver, but the Explorers had a winch mount, and we got spunctuous one night and just put it in the winch mount. So I gotta get another winch to keep around that goes into a receiver so we can put it in the gooseneck, pull cars up and stuff. So yeah, so we're gonna wait on Zach. When he gets here, we'll do that. I don't know, I doubt my tractor will pick it up and flip it upside down, but I might try that. I don't know though. But we'll catch you up with you guys here in a few. Alright, I got the tractor out. I'm gonna see if I can move this without chaining up. I don't know if I can or not. Some of these I can just back right up underneath the bumper and do that, but don't look like that's gonna happen. Let me get this hooked up. Alright, well, surprisingly enough, I cannot believe the tractor flipped it over, but it sure did. So now we can sit here and inspect the leaf springs, which the back half of this frame really don't look bent or anything. So that's a plus. So yeah, let me check this out and see what I can come up with. We've seen this, but check that tire out. It is completely off the bead, but it's still holding air. Not even close to flat. It got a little charred and whatnot, but that's all right. It was on fire for 45 minutes. So now we're gonna jump right here and do a little body work. I think we can fix that bed. What do you guys think? We're gonna pull the dent right out with the John Deere.
other side while you're at it. That's good. More room would be nice.
Huh? Pop a tire. Way easier. Way easier. Just a little body work, get them up out.
That's right. Huh.
He's gonna be on there going,
Get it out there.
can we build a ramp for the can?
Alright, what do you guys think of my bodywork skills here? John Deere, great body.
Little Bondo.
Yeah, a little Bondo. I mean, that thing does great body work. I don't know why every body shop don't have one. So, now we can work on taking these apart, getting leaf springs off. Well, since we're doing this in the middle of the field, it's a pain because we couldn't find wrench. We got sick of going in now, so we just Decided to cut it back there. We was able to unbolt it up here on both sides. We got to unbolt the drive shaft, unbolt shocks, and we'll just lift the back half off. It's still got the frame and stuff attached, which is fine because I'd like to save the hitch. Sorry about that. It's about 90 degrees outside and my media mug gets hot. It kind of does funky things. But yeah, I'm actually going to try to save some of the rear end parts of this. I'm going to save the hitch. It don't seem to be bent. And I'm going to put that on the other truck. And there's a brace in there that I made for this frame that I'm going to cut out and put on the other truck. And yeah, so I don't know what I was saying here. I totally forget. So
Drive forward. Go forward. Come on, you can do it.
Lower your bucket as you go.
Oh, you was. You had that. Was. I don't know now you get it much flatter than it was. It looks flatter than it was. Who's doing it wrong? Focus to the side out. That's personal, I feel.
Alright, well, we got her flipped back over, and we got all the parts but the front tires off of it that we wanted. So it's gonna be a wrap for this video, a little shorter, but I thought it'd be a pretty cool little thing to show you guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and as always, we'll catch you on the next one.